What's that?
That's a egg. Give me an egg. Oh, Mommy.
What's that? Did the Easter Bunny bring you that? Wow.
I got this one and you got that one. And these. What? Is there any more?
Any more what?
Any more of those?
No, you got. It looks like you got some Skittles. I think there's more eggs around here somewhere.
Yeah. Let's go find.
Careful.
Oh, Mommy, get this. I get this. Another one. I have one of those. I have one of those. At first. You can hold on to that. And we'll keep finding our eggs.
Well, you can put those ones down and leave them with your stuffed bird.
I found one, really. Found one. We'll keep looking at it. I'm showing Mommy all the eggs we got. Show her.
Wow. Find some more.
And I thought I saw one on the table.
Why, there's some more in
And
here.
I saw one on the coat.
Behind you.
I got that one. I just put it for the.
I think there's some on the shelf, Brayden.